Hey guys, this is Blaine here with Bar Shield to talk to you today about the barbell bend test. This is a foolproof way to know if one of your barbells in your rotation needs to come out and either get recycled or repaired. So you can see here behind me I have a chrome bar and a zinc bar. So the chrome bar, you can see, has a little bit of a tilt to it, so spoiler alert, that one's already bent. And the other one is confirmed straight, but I'll roll these across the floor and show you guys the difference. So as you can see, the silver chrome bar had a little bit more trouble rolling across the floor. Up close and personal, you can tell that the sleeves don't quite spin right and that something is wrong. The other bar rolled across the floor pretty neatly and was easy to see that it is all good to go. So I'm going to go ahead and replace the silver bar, put the other bar back in the rotation, and we're all good to go.